The ultimate advice for every startup business. Every startup, struggling entrepreneur to the world-class company CEOs need advice. Everyone gives advice, but only few give solution with frameworks and roadmap. Hey everyone, my name is Harshad. I turn entrepreneurs into wealthy retailers. Would you like to get the ultimate advice for every startup business? Before we go ahead, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you had already subscribed, then click on the bell icon to get notified with the new videos. Many wonder why very few startups are successful and why many not. If you have this question in mind, then here is the ultimate advice for every startup business. 1. Identify your passion. The most successful startups drive their businesses with passion and with intrinsic motivation. Second, identify the bigger problem. The bigger the problem, bigger the opportunity. Earl Nightingale says, you cannot become rich without enriching others. So as many people's lives you enrich, you will become that much rich. Those will be the people whom you will be serving, means your customers. Third, identify your signature strength. Don't just identify your strengths, identify your signature strengths and your weaknesses too. Fourth, build right partners. While looking for partners, first thing, never ever look for financial partnership. Always look for partners in the core areas which you are weak. Ensure they too are highly passionate and have the same hunger you have, or else you will be in hell every day after a couple of months. If you have only money and don't have the skills that which can contribute to this 21st century's fastest transforming business, first thing is develop business acumen and then take partners, or else you will suck their blood every day and you will spoil your investment, as money is just one need initially. To start any business, you need right people to build your dreams. Fifth, nail down on your envisioner. Every successful entrepreneur in the universe had been inspired by someone and acted a part of his envisioner. Study your envisioner and start acting a part of him or her. Next, get mentor and coach. No matter what your current core strengths, have mentor and coach. Every successful business person, athletes, superstars, etc. in the universe have coaches, mentors and advisors. And do not forget to get moonlight coaching from your envisioner through most possible sources of his or her work. Next, create an organizational hierarchy and build leadership pipeline. No matter which product or service you will offer, employees comes first than customers. Build an A-class team or you will dry up soon. You cannot build an A-class company with a B-class team. So build a team or you will burn out. Next, build a problem-solving product. Don't just build any product that could be intangible or tangible product or services. If you cannot, the best thing is the job. Invest the same time, energy and money in outshining in the job. Check out Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, Indra Nooyi. They are ruling nations now. Next, positioning. Position yourself, your products or services in the minds of in your consumers in a right way, or else you will be lost in the minds of your consumers and also in the eyes of everyone. No matter water fulfills the thirst of every human being, once it is turned into a brand, it will no more fulfill the same thirst of each and every human being. Understand this with wider context. Next, marketing. This is where most startups fail. One of the biggest reasons is they understand the marketing on the surface and not in depth. Any good product, if not marketed well, will fail massively. Any worst product, if marketed well, will have the higher chances of success. If more money coming in, reaching to more number of customers, you have chance to correct the mistakes and developing the same based on your consumer feedbacks. Next, financial literacy. Accounting and financial literacy are two different things. Understand the two individually, as two are separate factors, and act accordingly. Many company CEO who doesn't know how to read balance sheets still saved, but none built a successful organization without understanding financial literacy. Next, build self-worth than net worth. The way of doing businesses are transforming. Net worth may drop, If you build a business with high integrity, building your self-worth, anytime you can uplift it, as reputation is the new currency. There are more ultimate advices I can give with more frameworks and execution excellence and roadmaps. Book a 15 minutes discovery call with me to build a profitable and scalable business with a sustainable organic growth. Meanwhile, start looking into above said advices and start implementing each. I hope the time spent with you was well worth. And if you like this video, please share with your loved ones so that as a community we can help as many as entrepreneurs as we can. If you haven't joined my Facebook group, find the link in the below post where you can mastermind, network, help and get help by other entrepreneurs. If you really want to build, grow and scale your business, check my consultancy Retailer Destination to help you discover the roadblocks strategically. If you want to attend my masterclass, find the link in the below post for more details and also to know when is my next masterclass. See you in my next masterclass, or I see you with my next new video. Thank you and glad to be here with you. Be awesome and prosper.